Looking for high-quality Shale shaker screens for your drilling solids control system? Welcome to Top Shaker Screen, a trusted manufacturer in China. Contact us today, sales@topshakerscreen.com or +86131324366786 on WhatsApp, WeChat or phone. At Top Shaker Screen, I pride myself on delivering top-notch quality. Our factory meets the API Q1 standard, ensuring each Shale shaker screen performs at its best. Plus, we're certified with ISO 14001 and ISO 28001, which means strict adherence to environmental and safety standards for oil and gas drilling, HDD drilling and mining drilling projects. With over 40,000 screens produced annually, we serve clients worldwide. Mud control companies like SCOMI Oil Tools and oilfield service giants like Baker Hughes trust our screens, and major petroleum companies like PDVSA and ONGC rely on us too. Our reach extends to regions like the Middle East, Africa and South America, where our screens are crucial for oil sludge separation and delivering environmental solutions. Top Shaker Screens engineering is second to none. Our Shale shaker screens are perfectly compatible with all major international brands. They offer high filtration precision with mesh sizes ranging from API 100 to API 325, making them ideal for drilling mud purification in geothermal drilling, water well drilling and mining drilling. We have a massive production capacity, producing up to 40,000 screens per year. This means fast delivery for your drilling contractors, mud tank manufacturers and centrifuge rental companies. Whether you're involved in HDD drilling or oil and gas drilling, we've got you covered with reliable stock and customizable solutions. Here's the kicker. Over 80% of drilling sites globally use our screens. From coal bed methane drilling to shield tunneling, Top Shaker Screen helps environmental solutions providers, drilling mud suppliers and equipment suppliers reduce costs and boost efficiency. Ready to enhance your solids control system? Contact Top Shaker Screen today at sales@topshakerscreen.com or +86131324366786 on WhatsApp, WeChat or phone. Subscribe for more drilling equipment tips and solutions.